welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's my birthday. So today it's my birthday. Ta-da! And I'm going to do today like no makeup look, and this would be my makeup birthday makeup look, whatever it is. Before I'm going to apply lots of makeup. Obviously I'm not going to apply lots of makeup, but still I will do little bit of makeup on my face because it's my birthday today. And before that, obviously I have to do lots of skincare. So do not forget to wish me my birthday in my comment section. Let's start. So I'm going to start with this sheet mask, which is from Tono Molly. Yeah, this is kind of Korean sheet mask.
I'm Lemon, apply me.
Yeah, I'm going to start with this sheet mask. Till then, stay with me. I'm going to keep this mask at least for 10 minutes. That's it. So I have done my 10 minutes and now I'm removing. You can see the glow on my face, and now I'm little bit gently massage on my face. That's it. And then I'll apply this Plum Vitamin C serum, which is really good, and this is fragrance free. मेक श्योर कि आप जब भी ड्रॉपर से अपने फेस पे विटामिन सी सीरम या फिर कोई भी सीरम अप्लाई करें, डायरेक्टली अपने स्किन को टच ना करें. जस्ट अपने पाम में थोड़ा सा ड्रॉप अपने फेस के हिसाब से ले और उसको अप्लाई करें. एंड मैं यहाँ पे रिक्विल का सनस्क्रीन यूज़ कर रही हूँ, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा टेक्सचर है. इसमें थोड़ा सा लिटिल बिट वाइट कास्ट है, जो कि यूज़फुल है बिकॉज वो आपके चेहरे को थोड़ा सा ग्लो देता है. सो आई डोंट हैव एनी इशू विद दैट वाइट कास्ट. सो या लिटरली आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. Next step, I'm using this Maybelline concealer, which is going to conceal my little bit, under eyes, dark spot, and I'm going to lift it up near my lips and on my nose tip and jawline. That's it. I'm not going to use any foundation on my face for today. So here I'll spray on my blender and then I'm going to blend it. And then again I'll apply this concealer on my eyebrows and then I'll blend it properly. Here I'm using just her soft nude 03 shade, which is lip and cheek tint. I'm gonna apply on this like eyelid, cheeks, on my cheekbones, and then I'll apply on my lips too. So yeah. So here I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This loose powder is so amazing and it works, it blends like totally even it will look on your skin. So again here I'm going to use this eyelash curl. एंड इसमें एक फैक्ट ये है कि आप एक ही बार में जब इसको कर्ल करने वाले हो तो 7 या फिर 8 टाइम्स मतलब उसको डिप करें. ऐसा नहीं कि 2 to 3 टाइम्स करने से ही आपका आईलैश कर्ल हो जाएगा. ये देखिए, विदाउट मस्कारा इट लुक्स सो गुड. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस Maybelline हाइपर लैश मस्कारा. Here I'm using this MAC eyebrow pencil. And then obviously I'm going to use this Lakme eyeliner because it's too affordable and it's too easy to apply. And then I'm in love with this Swiss Beauty lip liner. I'm just lining on my lip, and then I'm going to apply that cheek tint, lip tint. It's looking so good, like natural glow on my face. You can see natural color, natural blush I'm using. Thank you so much, Just Herbs. And here I'm going to use this mustard chrome highlighter, which is also from Maybelline, and इसकी हालत कुछ ऐसी हो चुकी है. And I'm going to apply on my cheekbone and then tip of my nose, on my upper lips, and little bit on my chin. That's it. So here you go. This is my final touch, and this is how exactly look like my no makeup birthday look. And I'm literally I don't know, I look good, like from my side. Yeah, it's good, like in front of the natural light, because I'm not using that ring light because it's raining and power cut. So here I'm using this cute necklace I bought from Instagram. There is kind of one page, I don't remember that name, but I'll like put on my description box. Oh my god, looks so aesthetic. So my cuties, please let me know in the comment section, did you like the video? And this is my outfit, and the top is from Urbanik and the skirt is from the random shop. Please do subscribe and hit the like button and share, and